Welcome back, guys. We're going to be decorating my wreath for the door. You will need some ribbon from the Dollar Tree, your Christmas balls if you want. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and this one from Dollar Tree, and I made these from some old bulbs I had, and I just put some rhinestones wrap around it. But I'm going to be using these, some picks of your choice if you decide to use picks for it. So I'm just going to be, I got my wreath from Joann a couple weeks back. I already kind of fluffed it out how I wanted it to go. So yeah, and I'm just going to be placing them how I want them, and then I'm going to glue them down once I get a design that I like. So I got in some better lighting, guys. The room I was in, the lighting was kind of dim. So I am just placing the bulbs, Christmas ornaments on the wreath where I want it to go. And then you just see me just trying to see my vision, placing them and hot gluing the Christmas balls onto the wreath with the little hot glue gun, just making sure that the ball is connected to some piece of the tree, and I just kind of pinched the back of it to make sure it had a hold on it. So I'm going to be speeding up the video here, so because it's just kind of repetitive. All I'm doing is placing the glue on the balls as where I desire, and then I'll go in with my picks and ribbon. So here we go. So now I'm just taking my picks that I got from Michael's and placing them around the wreath. I picked them in half, broke them off the little stems so I can get the desired look that I wanted. And I just glued it on the wreath. And I'm taking some of the buffalo check ribbon that I have. Oops, sorry guys, my camera fell. So yeah, I'm taking some buffalo check ribbon and the silver Dollar Tree ribbon that I got, and I'm just folding it in half. And I am just inserting it inside the wreath. I think it just gives it an added touch. Then I found some like champagne rose gold picks, and I'm taking it apart just to give it that blush look that I want. Yeah, so I'm just sticking it here and there for my desired look, and filling it how I want. I got some berry picks also and placed it on there, and I really like how it came about for my little holiday look for my door. I just want to take the time out to thank everybody for subscribing and supporting. This has been a tremendous experience, and I just want to thank you for the support. Please like and subscribe. This is the finished product.